South Sudan on the Brink is a bombshell that has landed on the political sphere in South Sudan. The book covers significant events throughout the South Sudanese struggle, including critical historical milestones. Narratives and references to world history and human achievements are presented beautifully. You'll be smiling or even laughing loudly on numerous instances while reading the book, as the author, Dr. Lako Jada Kwajok, has the unique talent of presenting facts wrapped with wits and humor. Available on Amazon and all good bookstores.